Man, that does not feel good.
Yo,
I'm Chris.
what's good, man? It's your boy Clean. We're back in with another video, you feel me? Today we got another reaction. You know what I'm saying? We're back. It's an infamous eliminate your date with one press of a button by cut. You feel me? I've seen a lot of people react to this, so I thought, why couldn't I? You feel me? So without talking too much, let's get to it.
Why shouldn't someone date you?
Why shouldn't someone date me?
Yeah.
I mean, I have a lot of Legos like at my house. No worries.
Welcome
Just
to
for
The
Legos.
Button, a speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
You have been eliminated.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid second date.
Welcome to the button.
How's it
Hey,
going?
how's it going?
Good.
What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew, Ella.
Ella, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you guys like to party?
I like to...
7 out of 10. The lady, you know, reader, 7 out of 10. The guy, he looks like he got his life together, you feel me? But yeah.
dance.
Oh, you like to
Just
dance? What
wanted
kind of
to rate
dancing?
real
All of it.
All
Funk-
of it?
Funk music's good.
Oh, shit.
Sorry, Ella, you've been
Cool. It
eliminated.
was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Why did you eliminate her?
It's a feeling. I just wasn't...
No, she wasn't that bad. You didn't want it. People gotta stop lying. Just didn't want it. Try.
feeling it. How's it going?
Doing well, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Andrew.
Andrew, Caitlin, nice to meet you.
Caitlin, nice to meet you. What do you like to do for fun?
I love to dance. I'm totally a self-proclaimed cat lady, so I spend a lot of times with my cats. I like to read, I cook a lot.
Cats are dope.
Sorry, Caitlin, you've been
Cats are dope. Oh, you like hiking? Oh, hiking's dope. Yeah.
eliminated. Why did you do that, Andrew?
Just wasn't attracted to her. Hi, how are you?
Chillin', how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. I'm Andrew.
No, I'm still recording.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Becca.
Nice to meet you, Becca.
What do you guys do for a living?
I'm a bartender.
I sell software.
Software.
Super
Cool.
nerdy shit. I dig your tattoo. That's dope. Lots of
you.
color. Got the flower of life.
Yeah.
Ask Andrew if he has
I
an
mean, the
age
tattoos, they're very
preference.
attractive.
Do you have an age preference?
Yeah. Probably 25 to 30.
How old are you?
I'm 40.
Okay.
My brother.
I'm 22.
Okay.
I'm 22. No offense, but I also like don't fall into your thing. You know
No,
what I
that's
mean?
cool. No, that's cool. Yeah.
Why did you eliminate him?
Cause he's old. He's old. Hello.
How are you?
You know what's crazy? If a guy were to eliminate her, let's swap the ages, and they asked why they eliminated, and he said, she's old. They'd drag his name through the mud. I'm just saying.
Good. How are you?
Pretty good.
My name's Becca. What's your name?
Well done.
This nigga looks like
Well done.
Kelly.
Yes. God, you're pretty.
Oh, thank you.
What are your guys' deal breakers?
Republicans.
Ah, that's interesting. I don't blame you.
Are you registered to vote?
No, I'm actually not from here.
Oh, okay. Well, that
Yeah,
makes sense.
you're good.
Lagan like someone who is thick.
Okay.
That's twin.
Why you gotta bring it up, button?
All right. Well, you haven't pressed the button yet. Do you want to?
Do it right now, my guy. Do it right now.
That's a good question.
Do it
said
right
it
now.
was cute.
You
Do it
okay?
right now. I call it right now. She's gonna eliminate him. Watch
Okay,
this.
word.
Watch this.
Is that an Apple Watch?
It's a Apple Watch.
How much do you make?
Ooh, good question. How much do you make?
Huh? Shit. What the fuck? I'm not answering that. What?
I'm not answering that either.
Who do you think makes more money?
I'm a budget analyst.
It's
You
him.
make more
It's
money.
him.
I don't know. That sounds like a real adult job.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. What do you do?
I'm a bartender.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
I told you.
I'm sorry.
You should have took her out first. This nigga's lame, bro.
Why did you do that?
I don't know. He was cool and I like talking to him, but like I just know not really.
No,
my
no, no, no.
type.
He's not attractive. Just say
What's
it.
your name?
I'm Becca. Nice
Becca,
to meet
nice to
you.
meet you.
How are you?
I'm fantastic. How are you doing?
Good.
Why shouldn't someone date
Shut
you?
up. Listen to her. What'd you say?
He's so weird, bro.
I don't remember.
How dare you?
Shut up.
You're really controlling the butt.
It's interrupting. It's rude. What
Yeah.
are you saying?
I don't know.
Take him.
It's kind of. It's
Girl,
giving
take
you
him out.
prompts,
Take him
and now
out.
I don't remember
Take
what I was
him out.
saying.
He's not it.
This is awkward.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
doing
what
my
saying.
best. This is really hard. What are some of your turnoffs? Like instantly, like no.
If a girl drinks like plastic water.
If a girl is a groovist, she can dance. You know, she goes to groove every single weekend. They put her in a circle and they say, "Jiva's favorite Jiva," and she dances. That's one of my turnoffs. I just wanted to put that up.
Bottles, like the non-reusable ones. That's
Oh, so you're like environment friendly.
Yeah, anything food soiled, like food soiled paper, like food soiled napkins, throw it in the compost. Any food waste, like watermelon rinds.
Why shouldn't someone date you?
Why shouldn't someone date me?
Yeah.
I mean, I have a lot of Legos like at my house.
Tell me more.
I kidnap
About
children.
Legos? The little like plastic building
No, I know what
blocks.
they are, but why do you have them?
Because they're fun. You can just like buy a set and put it together, and then you have like
What's
a
wrong with
TIE
that?
fighter or some shit. Like,
A what?
you watch Star Wars?
Nah, fam.
The Mandalorian takes place
so
like
weird,
chronologically after Yoda's death in the Star Wars timeline.
Bro, what? She doesn't care, but this guy's ish. Oh, shit. Nerd representing
worries.
us nerds.
You just
Nah,
know so much about it.
Nice to meet you.
Why did you do that?
It's just kind of nerdy. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's not a deal breaker if you like know a lot about Star Wars, but like, I feel like such a bitch. Hi.
So you're the one on the street, huh?
Bro, why hasn't
I'm
anyone
not
taken
trying
out?
to.
No, I'm just playing with you.
Oh, what's your name?
Kane, what's yours?
Hi, Kane. I'm Becca.
Becca, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Kane is a stoner.
I am a stoner.
Partake.
Oh yeah, I'll smoke weed.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I pretty much only smoke indica. Sativa kind of freaks me out a little bit.
Yeah,
but
only
I-
indica all the way. Mellows me out, you know.
What was that? What was that?
What was what?
Did you guys do something with your hands?
Yeah, we fist bumped.
Can I receive a fist bump?
Yeah.
Wow.
For how long?
Becca prefers men over 5'6".
So awkward.
I do.
Oh, I'm definitely not that, but I'm sure you noticed when I walked
I'm
in.
definitely that. You feel me? I'm just putting that out. You know,
Yeah.
as a grown ass man.
I'm sorry. I was really hoping that you would hit me.
Why did you touch me?
Like, I don't know, I feel like I could crush it. He's little and like, I don't know, it just wasn't my type. He wasn't my type. I feel really bad hitting the button. It's making me feel so bad. Hi.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Becca.
Becca,
Oh,
it's nice to meet you, Becca.
How are you doing
big
today?
dog, Chris.
I'm good.
Off rip, he gets all the hoes.
How old are you guys?
I'm 22.
I'm 26.
Cool. That was great.
Sit
Why
down,
did you
nigga.
eliminate her?
She was too young. You get some years put on your life, 23 to
Nah,
26.
he knows his word. That's why.
Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Jess.
Jess, nice to meet you. How long have you been sitting back there?
I feel like kind of like forever.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, Jace.
for sure. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
You have been eliminated.
And I just said I'm sorry, Jace.
God, I feel like a dick.
Oh, my lips.
Why
dog.
did you eliminate her?
I could already tell we weren't gonna work out, but man, that does not feel good.
You.
I'm Chris.
I'm going to hell.
I'm Hazel.
Hazel, nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you. Oh gosh.
Ready?
No.
No.
Maybe.
I mean, it's pretty.
To be honest, there's
pretty
nothing
easy,
wrong
I
with her
think.
name.
I don't know. Were
But
you
that's
nervous
just
back there? I was a
unexpected
little
and-
nervous.
You feel
It's
me?
weird.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with plus size women, by the way.
Sorry, I'm
Nothing wrong
gonna.
with it.
Sorry.
You have been eliminated. Why did you eliminate her?
She just wasn't my type. Wow. Not sure I like this.
Why?
I just feel so bad. It's not often that guys have to like reject girls. Girls gotta do it all the time. It's a weird world we live in.
I'm Emma.
Emma, it's nice to meet you, Emma. Are you from Seattle?
I'm actually from Maine.
From Maine?
Yes.
That's what?
Yeah, I
How
road
you
tripped
been?
out here this summer.
Oh,
and
nice.
Yeah, I'm working out here.
Oh, nice, just cause.
Yeah, never been to the West Coast.
That's a fucking long road trip. Was it worth it so far?
It was so worth it, yeah.
What is your type?
Black guy.
What'd you say?
Definitely brunettes and brown eyes. What about you?
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Okay.
You got
Feels like me, you know what I'm saying?
Boy, if you don't.
guys
Sure.
described each other.
Yeah, definitely.
Chris enjoys old Disney movies.
Well, I mean, that's just like what I grew up with. So maybe it's nostalgia, but you know, keeps me a kid at heart.
How many people have you slept with, Chris?
I'm not gonna answer that question.
Come on.
A 0.
I don't know, and oh god, I'm gonna answer the question because I do want to stay on this date. So it's like, fuck it, I'm gonna throw all my cards
If you
on
answer,
the table.
I'll answer.
It's around like 60.
Okay.
You. Yes, boy.
Okay.
To 70.
Okay.
Give or take.
Yes,
I
they
haven't-
want me to press the button.
Yeah, I
but I'm
know.
not going to. I don't
Really?
judge people on
Really?
that.
Okay,
No.
because, well, okay, now it's your turn. Let's see.
I think around like 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
For sure. I
This
do.
is going.
Oh my gosh.
You two are cute together.
Well, thank you.
I think you're cute.
I think you're super cute, for sure.
Chris works out.
I can tell. Yes.
Compliment each other more.
I'm a big, like, teeth person.
Yeah.
I love your teeth.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You have nice
Ooh.
teeth
Thank
too.
you.
Will you go on a second date with?
I love your teeth. I never heard that one my whole life. He does not want it, dog. I love your teeth. I'm gonna start saying it about girls. You know, you're a very interesting woman. You know what I'm saying? I like your eyebrows. You know, I'm a big eyebrow person. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah.
Each other.
Yes.
I heard Cheesecake Factory is lovely. Congratulations, you have won a button. You get to go to an all-expenses second date.
That's funny.
Thanks for watching, you feel me? Please subscribe, you know, please subscribe. Please watch the previous video and watch the previous video and watch the previous vid. You feel me? Please do the most, you feel me? Comment down what you want me to react to next. And what you thought about this video. Personally, never mind. No, I'm gonna talk my shit. Personally, I did not like the fact that half of this vid consisted of that one lady who was just over-validating herself. But my opinion doesn't matter, you know, and things of that nature. But please subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me what you think about it. Yeah, thanks for watching and bye.